Hello there, you might have noticed my colourful collection of t-shirts. Well, you can have one too if you do this technique called tie-bleach. And I'm ably assisted by my sister Anna on this one. Well, I've got an old t-shirt here, some rubber bands and a sandwich bag. The sandwich bag is sort of optional, but if you want to protect the main part of the t-shirt from where you're doing the tie-dye, then that's the way to go. So really just grab your shirt and put rubber bands around it, and you know there are lots of different patterns. So if you want a line going like that, you literally just scrunch it up like this on that line. Remember where you've gone and get the rubber band round that point, like so. Oops. And you know, keep going until it's nice and tight. If you want more as a spiral kind, then you literally just grab the bit you want to be the spiral and again bunch up with lucky bands, or the classic again, you can do both the top and the bottom together, or you can just get your hand in the middle, so you get a bit, pinch that and just try and encourage it to kind of make the folds fairly evenly around if you want that effect. Again, you might deliberately want it lopsided, but it's really important to not be bothered about how it's going to come out, because you can't control tie-bleach. To get those rings, I've started there and I would just literally keep going all the way up, and this is one I prepared earlier. Again, there's just several rings that have been made in the t-shirt, just trying to sort of spread them out, trying not to get particular parts of the anatomy, like you know, chest area, belly area, you know, with great big targets on, or great big target on the back, and then this one, just a big sort of scrunched up ball. Just go for it, really. Get the stuff on so it can do what it's supposed to do. And if you want, you can be really precise and clever, or try to be, but you can see it's already changing colour. So you can change